Established in 2001, Shenzhen ITZR Technology Company Limited is a nationally high-tech enterprise that has passed ISO 9001 certification, specializing in research, production, and sale of all-in-one PCs, notebook computers, tablet computers, smartphones, graphic cards, mini PC, industrial control computers, desktop computer motherboards, industrial intelligent control computer motherboards, server mainboards, etc. It is a large-scale enterprise combining production, supply, and sale. The company has strong technical strength and economic strength. The factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters. There are more than 10 SMT high-tech equipment production lines. There are over 500 employees, including nearly 100 R&D staff. Now it has become one of the few well-known IT manufacturers in China with strong development ability and production capacity. Zhizhen, Chinese name of ITZR, derives from the analects of Confucius Zhihan. The wise are not confused. The benevolent is not worried. The brave is not afraid. Zhi, wisdom, it means intelligence and high tech. Based on the inheritance and practice, ITZR has established its own R&D system for all of our products. Zhen, benevolence. It means we have both talents and virtue, a general term for all virtues. Company philosophy, advocating science and technology, being proactive in innovation and pursuing high quality, best services, good faith, and sustainable management. The development of ITZR since 2008, ITZR has become one of pilot unit in China for national trusted transaction. Welcome to ITZR. Let's achieve win-win.